Which fruits are the best for fatty liver? Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing the greatest fruits for fatty liver. If you have fatty liver, this video is certainly for you. I'm going to talk about the numerous benefits of different fruits and how they can help you enhance your health. Fatty liver is a dangerous disorder that can cause a variety of health issues. If left untreated, it can possibly cause death. That is why it is critical to care for your liver and consume a healthy diet. The good news is that certain fruits can assist to preserve the liver and possibly repair any damage that has occurred. In this video, I will show you the top 7 greatest fruits for fatty liver. It is vital to note that the nutritional plan and actual alterations are chosen in a personalized manner. As a result, the guidance we'll share shortly on how to treat fatty liver will not serve as a standalone plan. Instead, you should contact with your doctor and a nutrition specialist to create a diet and exercise plan tailored to your needs. Now, let's look at the greatest fruits for fatty liver. 1. Avocado. Keep in mind that avocado's many benefits are derived from oleic acid, a monosaturated fatty acid. This acid can help lower cholesterol levels. We should also remember that it contains fiber, which serves as an appetite suppressant and helps to lower blood sugar. 2. Grapefruits. The grapefruit enzymes help the liver digest fats and poisons. This fruit also contains malic acid and carotenoid, both of which serve to strengthen and maintain the organ. Another significant benefit is its high neuron content, which aids in the breakdown and removal of accumulated fatty acids in the liver. 3. Kiwi. Kiwis contain an abundance of quinolone. The newly discovered antioxidant prevents the progression of fatty liver disease. This chemical can also be taken as a nutritional supplement. Nonetheless, kiwi is a natural source with low health risks. 4. Tamarind. This fruit is abundant in fiber, and experts recommend including it in weight loss programs. Tamarind fiber mixes with stomach juices to reduce appetite. Tamarind also has antioxidant qualities, which are important since cells can be damaged if nutrients are not properly broken down. Antioxidants can protect cells from damage that causes fat to develop in the liver. 5. Green apple. Specialists recommend eating at least 1 green apple every day, in addition to the other benefits. This fruit promotes liver detoxification. It can help reduce blood sugar levels. Keep in mind that apples contain malic acid, which some researchers believe may help prevent the production of kidney and liver stones. Finally, it's worth noting that the fruit peel has its own health benefits. This increases your body's mineral supply, which aids in fat breakdown and toxin elimination. 6. Papayas. It is a fruit high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which prevent fat formation in the blood vessels and heart. Similarly, studies show that this fruit is extremely effective at preventing and treating non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. 7. Citrus also helps to lower cholesterol and liver triglycerides. Citrus fruits, in addition to being a good source of vitamin C, are generally thought to help with liver detoxification and immune system strengthening due to their high antioxidant content. The harsh flavor of citrus fruits, such as lemon, can be covered by a variety of drinks, allowing them to be consumed without difficulty. So, if you're seeking for ways to improve your liver health, include these fruits in your diet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more like it. Thank you for watching.